Elon Musk shares FSD Beta V11.3 release target, teases key functions. Tesla FSD Beta users are still waiting for the release of V11, which CEO Elon Musk noted started its initial rollout way back on November 11, 2022. But while FSD Beta V11 is yet to see a wide rollout, Musk has been pretty consistent in his recent estimates for the update's release. When Musk was asked recently on Twitter when FSD Beta V11.3 would be released, the CEO noted that the update should start rolling out later this week, or next week at the latest. This actually matches up with his 2 weeks estimate from a week ago, when Musk noted that V11.3 would have many major improvements. Musk did not provide details about what these improvements actually are when he teased V11.3. But he mentioned some features that he is particularly excited about in his recent post about the update. Musk stated that he is excited about many small things about V11.3, such as the use of neural nets for vehicle navigation and control. Many small things. We're starting to make use of neural nets for vehicle navigation and control, not just vision, Musk wrote. While Musk's FSD beta release estimates have a tendency to be very optimistic, the details that he has been teasing suggest that the update might really be ready for a more widespread rollout soon. It would then not be a surprise if FSD Beta V11.3 does get rolled out to Tesla's original group of FSD beta testers in the coming weeks. As noted by Not a Tesla App, the use of neural networks for vehicle navigation and control might very well present a notable improvement for FSD Beta. Tesla has adopted the use of neural networks to determine a vehicle's surroundings and the objects around the car, among others. This information is used to create a 3D environment referred to as a V. Tesla could then plan and navigate a path to its destination while avoiding obstacles. Considering Musk's recent comments, it would appear that Tesla has been using neural networks to determine a vehicle's environment for the most part. If neural networks are also used to determine how a vehicle moves and finds a path, then FSD Beta could behave more human-like compared to before.